Cozy comfort in one pot. Let's make sweet potato lentil curry. You'll need sweet potato, red lentils, coconut milk, veggie broth, onion, garlic, and curry spice. Start by cooking onion and garlic until soft and fragrant. Add the sweet potato and your spices, curry powder, and turmeric. Next, transfer everything to a large pot. Add red lentils, pour in the coconut milk, and finish with veggie broth. Simmer until the lentils and sweet potatoes are tender. Creamy, cozy, and so satisfying. Sweet potato lentil curry, ready to enjoy. Rich, creamy, and full of comfort, this sweet potato lentil curry is everything you want in a cozy dinner. The full recipe is in the pinned comment below. Thanks for cooking with me, and see you next time on Yum in a Snap.